What's up, Tech Gang? Stefan here from TechRight. Today we're going to be talking about some really good deals from Boost Mobile, including the Galaxy A51. Stay tuned. Alright everyone, hopefully you guys are having a good day. We have some really good deals on Boost Mobile's website, so if any of you are Boost Mobile users, you guys are going to want to finish with this video, or if you're thinking about switching to Boost Mobile, definitely go ahead and stay around for this video. But we're gonna go down, scroll down. We're on the Boost Mobile website right here. As you guys can see, you can get a free Samsung Galaxy A12 when you switch, usually $179.99. But we have some other really good deals right here. For the iPhone 8 renewed, it's only gonna be $149. So it's gonna be $100 off this device. So that's a really decent deal. But we also have the iPhone SE, the new iPhone SE 2020. And this device is only going to be $50 when you switch. I know Boost Mobile has the same price tag as Metro by T-Mobile, but I just thought I'd talk about this for a second. And also the last deal right here, the Galaxy A51 is only going to be $200 at Boost Mobile now, so you save about $200 on this device. Really, I believe you're saving about $100 because when you go on Best Buy's website or you go on Amazon, the device is a little bit over $300, so $200. And this is an on-website deal only, so you can only purchase this from their website. But we're going to go over the specifications again. We're going to go over a few of the features, and we're just going to refresh you guys about the Galaxy A51. So if you guys are Boost Mobile users, this is a deal that you can take advantage of. So the features we have here is a huge 4,000 milliamp battery. For our quad camera setup, we have a 5 megapixel depth camera. We have a 48 megapixel main camera. We have an ultra wide 12 megapixel camera, and we have a 5 megapixel macro camera. So we have a nice camera setup on this device. I've done multiple reviews on this device. I've done multiple videos on this device. So this is definitely a device to get. I really did enjoy this device. I feel like the Galaxy A52 is a much better upgrade, so if you guys are looking to either buy the A52 or the A51, if you have a little bit more extra money, I would definitely go with the A52. So as I said before, we have a 4,000 milliamp battery, 6.5 inch FHD plus Super AMOLED display. We also have 4 gigabytes of RAM, 128 gigabytes of internal storage, and you guys can actually expand that memory via micro SD card. We have our dimensions right there, as you guys can see. Bluetooth 5.0. We also have 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi on this device as well, USB Type-C and NFC capability. So if NFC is a thing that you guys need on your device, the A51 is definitely going to deliver. As far as the processor, we're going to have a 2.3 gigahertz plus 1.7 gigahertz octa-core processor, and we're going to have an Exynos 9611 for the chipset. For our operating system, we're going to have Android 10, but that is upgradable to Android 11. So if you guys did not know that, we have that, and also a 32 megapixel selfie lens. And the other features we have on this device are fast charging. We also have a fingerprint sensor that is in the screen, so that's a nice feature that they carried over to the A52, and also facial recognition. So if you guys want to go ahead and purchase this and take a hold of this deal, this is only on Boost Mobile's website, so this is an on-website deal only. Tell me what you guys think about this deal in the comment section down below. Are you guys rocking the A51? Are you guys wanting to upgrade to the A52? If you're not 100% sure, go ahead and leave a comment asking whatever question you would like to, and I'll go ahead and do my best to answer it. But yeah guys, hopefully you did enjoy this video. If you did, please leave a like down below, as well as subscribing if you are not a part of the Tech Gang already. Also hit the notification bell if you guys want to be notified every time I do upload a new video. This has been Stefan from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.